Well, she is stuffed, she is packed, and she is ready to be unboxed. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Rhonda, and no, I promise there's not a ghost in my house. I was talking about it when we unboxed the Ipsy icon box. It's because I've got my camera twisted onto my tripod so much that it's like untwisting itself, but it's okay, it's fine, it's not gonna fall, and if it does, it's the protective case that's causing this. But anyways, welcome to the channel. I think I'm getting my son's cold, so my voice sounds like I am about to cry, which surprisingly I'm not. I know I'm a crier. Nobody cares, Rhonda, shut up. I probably have cat hair all over me. That's because a cutie kitty stopped by for a couple hours, and so I had to love on her, so you know, priorities. Anyways, welcome. You're not here for rambles, but are you though? You chose to click on a channel that started with Hot Mess, so I don't know what you thought you were getting. Not a girl that has it together, I'll tell you that. Anyways, we are unboxing our Boxycharm by Ipsy box for November. I'm pretty sure I called the icon box October. Oops, November. Thank you to Ipsy for sending this over in PR. I greatly appreciate it. I never know 100% if I'm going to receive PR from Ipsy, so I get really excited when I do. I will have a link down below if you guys are wanting to sign up for Ipsy Glam Bag, the Boxycharm by Ipsy, or the Ipsy icon box. Thank you if you do choose to use that link. It is an affiliate. I want to give a big shout out to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel, and those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating the channel, thank you guys bunches. And for all of y'all returning, my box, she's ready to be open. I'm curious if there is foam in this one, because in the icon box we have this beautiful lavender foam. So let's see it together. Oh, okay. No, well, at least they, oh, you know what though, I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain, because this, well, let's see, I'm trying to, you know what, they just all around did a better job. Normally it's like, that's all you get. That's all you typically get. So to get this much and my stuff be right here, that, Ipsy, I think you're listening, and I do appreciate that. So let's go ahead. Now, when it comes to the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, this is a monthly box, and here in Kentucky I purchased it, and it with tax comes to about $32. You get 5 items in the box, and you get to customize 3, and then Ipsy customizes 2 to you. Now, because this was in PR, I didn't get to make any choices, which is fine. I get what I get, and I'm not going to throw a fit, duh. So the first thing that I see here is by Cosmetics, and it's a palette. And this, wow. I kind of like went ham sandwich in the add-ons section, and I was looking at this, and now I'm like, shoot, did I in fact purchase that? I know you're probably saying, Rhonda, how do you not remember? Y'all, I zoned out, blacked out, and hit the button, and next thing I know, it was like, purchase confirmed, and I was like, I wasn't ready to commit just yet. I just wanted to view my cart, but I digress. So this is the, this is the palette. I can read cursive, but I don't know that word is the problem. That's why I'm not saying it. This is an interesting palette. Oh my gosh, it moves. So we've got Unlocked and Destino. I don't know, but it's really pretty. I love this, and look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I thought the color story was really pretty when I saw it online. I had no idea that this was going to be something. Oh wait, unlock. Try to unlock it. There you go, Rhonda. Oh my lord. Okay, that's really pretty. Hold on, there's plastic on here. That is so interesting. Okay, so of course I love this like green color. Very pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So you've got 3, 5, you have 6. Listen, my brain is floating at this point, okay guys? So you get 6 mattes and 4 shimmers. And again, I'm so sorry. You guys, I struggle to know my like English, so God forbid your girl learns something else. My brain just doesn't do well like learning other languages. Okay, so they feel really nice, and we've received Cosmetics products in the past, and I was really happy with them. So there's those shades. I totally swatch so much different than I normally do. I did it in like quad sections versus like top row, bottom row. Oh, my poor brain. The shimmers are like on point. They're absolutely stunning. And then the last two shades, I really like that green. I'm not the best swatcher, and you guys know what I always say, swatches do not tell the full story. I think it's an interesting color story, but I think that it is one that is pretty, and I kind of feel like, in all honesty, this kind of palette is one that you could definitely create cohesive looks with just this one palette. I don't feel like this is like an accent palette, you know. So this is really pretty. I think they did a good job. And if you already own some of the other Alamar Cosmetics palettes, I think this is going to be a nice little addition to your collection. So let's lock her back up. There we go. I do like that they're definitely stepping it up. The packaging is great. All right, next in here, I received the La Palette Beauty Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. It's a toner, serum, and hydrogel mask. Oh, wow. This is going to be low-key perfect for me, especially for the winter time. Because we've already got the wackadoodle weather where it is like bone chilling in the morning. Like it was, if even 30 degrees. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, I thought it was going to be a spray. Okay, so after you wash your face, take a suitable amount to the whole face and gently absorb it in there. Okay, well that's cool. That is so pretty. I really like that. I feel like aesthetically that's going to be gorgeous. I know, guys, I'm lazy and I don't want to get up and cover that one pillow. That pillow needs it too. Well, we'll just, there we go. I need to like pump myself with vitamin C. I can feel it. Alright, next in here we've got the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Body Cream. I love body creams. Okay, so let's smell this one. Hey, I got a question, guys. So I do my own gel nails. Nothing fancy, obvi. So, but I was wondering, would you guys want a video? I mean, it wouldn't be like real, probably in depth, but it would just be me. Oh! That's nice. Oh, I like that so much. Oh my gosh. It's a paraben-free, phthalate-free, vegan formula of... Okay, so it kind of reminds me of my husband's body wash or something. It smells really good. Very clean. It says universal. I like it a lot. It smells very nice. Yeah. If this is available in add-ons, I might get... No, you spent enough in add-ons. Shut your mouth. Okay. This is really nice. A cutie kitty? No, must have been the wind. Darn. Okay, false alarm. I thought a cutie kitty sugar dumplings was back. She is not. It was the wind blowing. I got so excited. Oh, next in here we have the Rakuten. You guys, I'm so sorry. I mean, I can't really talk on the normal, which is low-key a little scary because I have to talk to a brand here in the next hour. So I really need to pull it together. Okay, Rakuten. Whatever. But it's a shea butter this direction. It's light, comforting cream, nourishing and comforting. Wow. I love that they are giving us like... Ooh, now that's fancy too. Aesthetically, we're gonna have some gorgeous like products sitting there. Well, there's a little doodad on there. That's really nice. And I watch Christy over on TikTok. She really likes this stuff too. I wonder if this will be like nourishing and like hydrating enough for my skin, because my skin, I mean, I don't know, like right now it's doing pretty good. I'm trying out that Kosas foundation that I showed you guys in my Sephora VIB haul. Love it. It's really good, guys. Like if you guys are on the fence and you want to try it while the sale is still going on, I definitely would. I feel like I match. I don't put anything on my neck, but I do try and match my foundation to my chest, and then I use like like a bronzer on my neck kind of dealio, but I really like the Kosas foundation. It's good. Okay, so next in here I have Taupe Beige lipstick. It's a satin lipstick by ABH. I love it. Look at that gorgeous color. Does anybody else get super nervous when people go like this and then they start swatching? I'm like, it's gonna break. So I'm not gonna do that to you guys, okay? No hate to those who do. I mean, you've got trust like no other, but your girl has mass anxiety, who is constantly lives in paranoidville of making sure like, that might break, let's not do that. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. If this is in add-ons, I would say go for it because the color is beautiful. It has more, it's a nude color, but it has a little bit more of a pinky undertone, so it's gonna help with keeping your teeth look cool colored versus yellow. If you're still here, can I get a big thumbs up? I've got one more to film real quick and then start editing before the phone call. But thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. Pretty sure I had lipstick on my teeth. That's okay. That's okay. Ipsy, I don't know what you're doing, who's taken over and changed it up, but can I just say thank you? Because I think this was a really good box too. Like November, I'm really excited to see new brands in here. I'm excited to see old brands coming back, like Olimar. That was something I feel like we used to see Olimar a lot in Boxycharm, so it really makes me happy to see Olimar coming back because it is great quality products. This lotion feels amazing. I mean, my hands look so nice and hydrated. I'm happy with everything. So thank you, Ipsy. This is wonderful. And you guys, I also purchased the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, and my choices, I was like, stop it right now. My choices had me really excited. Like, I can't wait to show you guys my box. So anyways, if you want to go ahead and sign up for Ipsy, I don't think you're going to be able to make your choices. You may, I don't know, but I will have an affiliate link down below for you guys if you want to sign up. Thank you guys if you do use it. I do earn a little bit of a commission. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this box. I feel like I'm seeing Boxycharm here. I felt like 100% this was definitely more of a Boxycharm box than Ipsy. You know what I'm saying? And that makes me very, very happy. Like old school Boxycharm is what I mean, guys. So this makes me happy. So you're doing it right. That's what I want. That's what I've been whining about. Thank you for giving us better dunnage, more dunnage. I needed that. And I want to give a big shout out once again to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so, so much. And thank you so much to those of you clicking that thanks button. I apologize if I've missed anybody. I do try really hard to stay up on it, but just know I see you, or I try to see you all, and I appreciate you all so, so much. Check me out on my other channels, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, Hot Mess in the Kitchen. I'm on TikTok and on Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.